Let's take a journey through the rich and diverse history of Chinese food, a culinary tradition that has evolved over thousands of years. It all started in ancient China, a time of emperors and dynasties, where food was not just sustenance, but a reflection of the culture and philosophy of the time. Back then, food wasn't just about filling your stomach. It was a way to bring people together, to celebrate, and to honor the gods and ancestors. It was a way to show Chinese philosophy and beliefs. The ancient Chinese believed that food had the power to heal and to bring harmony to the body and mind. Ancient Chinese people believed in finding balance in everything, even their food. This balance was called yin and yang, a concept that permeated every aspect of their lives. Ancient Chinese believed that every ingredient had its own energy, either yin or yang, and that a balanced meal would bring harmony to the body. They carefully chose ingredients, trying to make each bite harmonious. The selection of ingredients was a thoughtful process, considering not just taste but also the health benefits and the balance of energies. Grains like rice and millet were what people ate every day. These staples were the foundation of the Chinese diet, providing essential nutrients and energy. Noodles came later, but quickly became a favorite all over China. They were versatile, easy to prepare, and could be made from a variety of grains, making them a beloved addition to the Chinese culinary repertoire. They also developed ways of cooking, like steaming and stir-frying, which are still popular today. These methods allowed for the preservation of nutrients and the enhancement of flavors, making Chinese cuisine both healthy and delicious. Tea also played a significant role in Chinese food culture. It was not just a beverage, but a symbol of hospitality and a key part of social rituals. Festivals and celebrations were marked by special dishes, each with its own meaning and significance. Food was a way to connect with the past, to honor traditions, and to bring joy to the present. Today, Chinese food continues to evolve, blending ancient traditions with modern innovations. It remains a vibrant and integral part of Chinese culture, enjoyed by people all over the world. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. Each dynasty in China left its own mark on the country's food. The culinary traditions of ancient China are a testament to the rich history and cultural diversity that have shaped the nation over millennia. From the opulent banquets of the imperial courts to the humble kitchens of common folk, Chinese cuisine has evolved through the ages, influenced by the tastes and preferences of emperors and their courts. Emperors had talented chefs who made really fancy meals. These chefs were often considered artists, creating dishes that were not only delicious but also visually stunning. The imperial kitchens were a hub of innovation, where new cooking techniques and recipes were developed to please the discerning palates of the royal family. These dishes often used rare ingredients and showed off amazing cooking skills. Ingredients like bird's nest, shark fin, and abalone were commonly used, showcasing the wealth and status of the emperor. The presentation of these dishes was equally important, with intricate carvings and elaborate plating that turned each meal into a work of art. For example, during the Han Dynasty, they invented soy sauce, something we can't imagine Chinese food without today. This versatile condiment became a staple in Chinese cooking, adding depth and umami to countless dishes. The Han Dynasty's contributions to Chinese cuisine were not limited to soy sauce. They also introduced new methods of food preservation and fermentation. The Tang Dynasty, known for its love of different cultures, started using ideas from other countries in their cooking. This period saw a flourishing of culinary exchange, with ingredients and techniques from Persia, India, and beyond making their way into Chinese kitchens. The Tang emperors were great patrons of the arts, and their banquets often featured a dazzling array of dishes that reflected the cosmopolitan nature of their court. The Silk Road, like a really long road used for trade, brought new ingredients and spices to China. This ancient network of trade routes connected China with the Middle East, Europe, and Africa, facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and culinary traditions. Spices like cinnamon, pepper, and saffron, as well as exotic fruits and nuts, were introduced to Chinese cuisine, enriching its flavors and expanding its repertoire. These new things made Chinese food even more interesting, adding exciting flavors and smells. The introduction of these ingredients led to the creation of new dishes and the refinement of existing ones, making Chinese cuisine one of the most diverse and dynamic in the world. The legacy of these culinary innovations continues to be felt today, as modern chefs draw inspiration from the rich history of Chinese Imperial cuisine to create dishes that are both traditional and contemporary. China is a huge country with lots of different landscapes and weather. This variety shows up in its food, with each region having its own special flavors and ways of cooking. Sichuan cuisine, known for being spicy, uses lots of chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns. Cantonese cuisine focuses on fresh ingredients and light flavors. It's famous for dim sum, which is a bunch of small dishes you share with others. Shandong cuisine, from the eastern coast of China, uses a lot of seafood. Each region's food tells us about its people, where they live, and the cultures that have influenced them. Globalization, which means the world becoming more connected, has really changed Chinese food. As people move around and cultures mix, so do their foods. Chinese people who moved to other countries brought their food traditions with them. You can find Chinese restaurants almost everywhere now. They often adjust to what locals like to eat while still keeping their Chinese identity. Fusion cuisine, which mixes Chinese and other international flavors, has become really popular. This mixing of food shows how connected the world is becoming and how much people like trying new things. Technology is changing everything we do, and cooking is no exception. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is starting to be used in Chinese kitchens, and it might change how we cook and enjoy food forever. Imagine robots making your favorite Chinese dishes perfectly and quickly. This is becoming a reality. AI-powered cooking robots can now follow difficult recipes, changing cooking times and temperatures like experts. They can even learn what you like to eat and create dishes just for you. But AI in Chinese kitchens isn't just about robot chefs. It's about transforming the entire culinary experience from start to finish. Imagine walking into a kitchen where a robotic arm is not only preparing your ingredients, but also ensuring that each cut is precise and consistent. This level of accuracy is something that even the most skilled human chefs might find challenging to achieve every single time. Smart kitchen appliances are becoming more common, making cooking easier and faster. These devices are designed to take the guesswork out of cooking, allowing you to focus on the joy of creating delicious meals. For instance, smart scales can measure ingredients to the exact gram, ensuring that your recipes turn out perfect every time. Imagine a refrigerator that tells you what to cook based on what's inside. This isn't just a futuristic dream, it's a reality in many modern Chinese kitchens. These smart fridges can scan their contents and suggest recipes that make the best use of what you have, reducing food waste and making meal planning a breeze. Or an oven that turns itself on when you start cooking. These smart ovens can preheat to the perfect temperature and even adjust cooking times based on the dish you're preparing. This means no more burnt dumplings or undercooked Peking duck. These new gadgets make cooking easier and more fun, so you can make delicious Chinese food at home. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, these tools can help you explore the rich and diverse world of Chinese cuisine with confidence. In restaurants, AI is being used to make your dining experience special. From the moment you walk in, AI systems can personalize your visit. They can recommend dishes based on your previous orders, and even suggest new items that match your taste preferences. AI systems can remember what you ordered before, creating a seamless and personalized dining experience. This not only saves time, but also ensures that you get exactly what you want every time you visit, and what you like to suggest dishes you might enjoy. This level of personalization can make dining out more exciting and enjoyable, as you're always discovering new flavors and dishes that you might not have tried otherwise. This makes customers happier and encourages them to try new things. The integration of AI in Chinese cuisine is not just about convenience. It's about enhancing the entire culinary experience, making it more interactive, personalized, and enjoyable for everyone involved. The future of AI in Chinese food is full of possibilities. As AI gets smarter, we can expect even more amazing things in the kitchen. Imagine AI systems that can look at the nutrition in food and create recipes for people with special diets or preferences. AI could also help us save traditional Chinese recipes. By studying and remembering classic cooking techniques, AI can make sure future generations can enjoy these dishes. The story of Chinese food shows the country's rich history, diverse culture, and love for new ideas. From its beginning, focused on balance and harmony, to today's fusion with flavors from around the world, Chinese food has always been changing while staying true to itself. Using AI is the next chapter in this food evolution. As AI technology gets better, it will continue to change how we experience, cook, and preserve this beloved cuisine. This beautiful mix of tradition and technology means that Chinese food will continue to amaze our taste buds and inspire cooks for many years to come. The story of Chinese food is a fascinating one. It's about tradition, innovation, and how food brings people together across cultures and generations. From the kitchens of emperors to the AI kitchens of the future, Chinese food keeps evolving, exciting our taste buds, and pushing the limits of cooking. As we welcome the possibilities of AI, we can look forward to a future where Chinese cuisine continues to thrive, delighting us with its delicious flavors, creative techniques, and lasting legacy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.